Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to the max session. I am here, your Jasdeep ma'am from the Little Star School. In question number 6 of exercise 7.6 from the page number 161, the question is the piece of a wire 7.8 meter long broken into two parts. Okay, there was a wire of 7 upon 8 meters, right? And which was unfortunately broken into two pieces. And then it is written, one piece was 1/4 meter. One piece was 1/4 meter. How long the other piece was? Other piece we have to find, the second piece. Okay, this thing we have to find. Means total was this much. Okay, and then this much was one piece. So how much the another piece was? So it is very easy if you think very deeply that suppose the wire piece was this much meter and this bulge is one piece, so 1/4. So how much is the another one? So what we will do? Here we will do the subtraction, so we will get the another piece meters, right? So if we will do the subtraction, as you can see that denominators are different. So what we have to do? We have to take out the LCM. So 8 and 4 LCM will take out. 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, and 2 1s are. We got the LCM 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Okay. So LCM we got 8. So 7/8. So here you can see the denominator is already 8. Right. So by which number I will multiply? So I will get 8 only. I will multiply by 1. So here it is 7/8. We got the answer. The next fraction is 1/4. So by which number I will multiply 4? So I will get 8. Multiply by 2, right? So 1 2s are 2 and 4 2s are 8. Right? So here we will get that 7/8 minus 2/8 is equals to, so 8 and 8 denominators are same, so you will get the denominator 8. 7 minus 2, so we will count from 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. So other piece was 5/8. It is easy. Here the question is, written, Nandini's house is 9/10 kilometer from her school. So Nandini's house is how much kilometer? So is 9/10, right? 9/10 kilometer from the school. And the next is written, she walked some distance and then took a bus for 1/2 kilometer to reach the school. So she has walked some distance. By walking we are going because the bus stand would be little bit far. Then took a bus for. She took bus for how much kilometer? Only 1/2 kilometers. Took bus for 1/2 kilometers. So here they are asking us how far did he walk? So here also what we have to do? First we will see the total. The distance was 9/10. Right? This much she travelled by the bus. So we'll write here 1/2. We'll subtract this both. So we'll get the answer that how much she walked. Right? It is easy. But you can see that denominators are different. So what we have to do? In this case, the same thing, we'll take out the LCM. 10 and 2. In 2 table both are coming. So 2 5s are, 2 1s are, and 5 1s are. The LCM we got is 10. Okay. So 9/10. So 9/10, that here also you can see that 10 denominator is there. So what, by which number I will multiply? I will multiply by 1. So I will get 9/10. 1/2. 1/2. Into, by which number I will multiply? So I will multiply by 5. So I will get 10, right? So in numerator also I will multiply by 5. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay. We got here. Now I will do further. Further is 9/10 minus 5/10. Okay. So answer will get 10 denominators are same, so we'll write the denominator. Then 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is how much? So after 5 we will count 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. So 4 kilometer. Okay. So 4 kilometer Nandini walked and then she took a bus. Okay. Moving to the next question, a last second question of this exercise. 2 more sums is there. One I will make you do and one you have to do it by yourself. Okay. We'll do the question number 8. Question number 8. Asha and Samulai has book sleeves of the same size, partly filled with books. Asha sleeve is 5/6 full and Samulai shape is 2/5 full. So they have got a slave, as mama and dada is giving you the place to where you have to keep the book, right? So it is called a slave, and Asha has 5/6 full. This much portion is full with the books. Okay. And Samulai has 2/5 full with the books. Whose book sleeves is more full? By what fraction? So here we have to find that whose sleeves is more full. So it is kind of comparison. Right? Comparison is done in many ways. That who has brought out more marks. when your two brothers and sisters are saying who has brought more marks, so we are doing comparison. So we are seeing that okay, one girl has brought 50, the another sister of his brought has 30. So we are comparing, okay, the comparison we get to know that okay, it is 50 means it is greater one. But how much more marks the first person has brought? So we'll compare. So what we'll do? 50 minus 30 is equals to 0 minus 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 20 marks scored by the first person than the second person, right? Like that way only, here we have to do, there is a comparison that whose slave is more full with the books and how much. So here also we'll do the subtraction. So 5 upon 6 minus 2 upon 5. As you can see, the denominators are different. Means in the different denominator what we do? We'll take out the LCM, right? So let's take out the LCM. 6 and 5. So 2 3s are, in 2 table 5 is not coming, we'll carry down like that way only. Then 3 1s are, in 3 table also 5 is not coming, so we'll carry down like that way. So 5 1s. 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So we got the LCM 30. Okay. 5 upon 6. Here you can see that 6 is there. Means by which number I'll multiply, so I'll get 30. I'll multiply by 5. So in numerator also 5. 5 5s are 25 and 6 5s are 30. Next fraction, 2 upon 5. So I'll multiply by 6, so I'll get 30. In numerator also I'll multiply by 6. 2 6 is 12, 2 6 are 12 and 5 6 are 30. Now let's compare it. 25 upon 30 minus 12 upon 30. Okay, now it is very simple. How it is simple? 30 30 denominators are same, so write the 30. 25 minus 12. If you are not able to do like that way, so just write and do 25 minus 12. 5 2s are, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So you got the answer 13. Here we have done the comparison, right? So in comparison we can see that who is having more space? Asha is having more space, right? Because at the place of 5 upon 6, we got the equivalent fraction 25 upon 30. So we can see that, and at the place of Shamulai, we got 12 upon 30, right? So we can see that Asha is having more space. But they have told how much more space, right? By what fraction they is having. So 12, we will minus it. When we minus, we will get the answer. The 13 upon 30. More space is having by the Asha. This fraction is more. She is having more space. Okay. Okay, next sum you have to do it by yourself. Question number 9. This you have to do it by yourself, and if you have any kind of doubt, please let me know. With this, we have completed our chapter number 7, fraction.